Hello, my name's Craig Schultz from Michigan Safe Energy Future. It's January 2014 and I want to give my recommendation for this month for a way you can save electricity cost in your house. The Evergy Wireless Electricity Monitor. It's a great gadget, costs less than $105, delivered to your house from Amazon.com, can be installed in your house in less than a half hour. It'll help you see real-time your electricity usage, and it'll help you find those phantom loads that are sucking up to 20% of your electricity, even while you sleep, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I installed mine this month, and I have already identified over 1,000 kilowatts that I will be able to save this year. So I highly recommend this gadget. Buy yours today, get it installed, and start saving electricity.